Today I am introduce you Honeywell ST800 STD820 transmitter manifold replacement procedure. 5-way manifold replacement required tools, torque range. First set the torque value. Now I am set for 50 Newton meter. Port socket size 16 mm. Select the counterclockwise. Remove the bolt. Four bolt removed. Remove the manifold from the transmitter. Actually, transmitter manifold is leakage from this area. This gasket will be damaged. We are replacing the new manifold with the new gasket. First clean the surface. Here insert the new manifold. Tight the bolt. Close it close. One, two, three, four bolt. First hand tight the bolt. This is the electrical torque range. Torque range value is 2.8 to 28 Newton meter. Maximum 28 Newton meter. First we are tightening for 28 Newton meter. This is the torque value from the display. You can check the reading and the maximum and minimum indication. Once reach the torque value, reach the indication for the maximum value. You can check it now. Now maximum range reached. Maximum range reached. Maximum range reached. Maximum range. This is maximum range. This is the bolt size 7/16. Now 27 and 31. Next we are tightening for the 36 and another step is 40 Newton meter. This is Newton meter, torquing metric unit Newton meter. 45 another step. Next 49. Next we are setting the 31 Newton meter. This is now 31 reached. Okay, now we are tightening for 31 Newton. 31 Newton is torque. This is a torque sum. Torque already reached. Reached. 36 Newton meter. Okay, 36 reached. Low. Okay, reached. Okay, next we are setting the 40 Newton meter. Okay, 40. Okay, reached. Okay. 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 40 Newton meter torque is completed. We are setting the 45 Newton meter. This is 45. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Next we are setting for 49 Newton meter. This is a final torque. Okay. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Okay. Now transmitter manifold, 5-way manifold replacement scenario is completed. Working value scenario also completed.